how to collaborate with external members in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can collaborate with external members on Monday.com. For example, members of your organization that are not present on Monday.com, but if you need to show them something very important, then this video will help you how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you see that you'll be redirected here to this homepage, and there are several boards that you're working on here. You can open any board we want. Now, for example, if we need to share this board with our external members who are not present on Monday.com, then what do we need to do? We can go here first, and what if we need to change the board type? Let me see how we can change the board type in settings. Change board type, change to shareable. First, we have to change this board to shareable so that we can share it with other members. Otherwise, if it's not shareable, then it will not be able to, share with other members of the board. So we have to make this board first into a shareable board so we can share it with other members. The other thing that we can do is we can click here and invite members. So as we have made this board shareable, we can now share the board easily by getting the link of the board, or what we can do is we can write the email address of the external members and invite them. And we can also write a personal message here if we want, like for example, hey, check out this board, this company board. So we can send them a personal message as well in order to check it. And if we only want somebody to see the board and not make any changes to it, they can just see it and they can't do anything else. We can click here and make it viewer read only. That's completely up to us, and we can click on invite and it will be sent to them. Once when they're here, what we can do is, in order to collaborate with them, in order to share messages with them, we can click here and we can write seamless updates here, rather than having an email thread which gets confusing and clustered up most of the time. We can write updates right here and communicate with those external members as much as you want. So this is the main way in order to do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do drop a like and subscribe the channel as well in order to see more helpful, insightful and valuable content like this based on Monday.com and etc. So I'll definitely see you in the next one.